G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I've got a unique problem here. If your spark controller is constantly saying it's got air in it, it's giving a fault, it can be due to low flow. And sometimes there's some interesting plumbing on spas. If you see here, this is the circ motor in here, and coming out of the circ motor, it comes to this 4-point manifold with just 3 things connected to it. So all of your return water has to flow through here. One of these is going to an ozone manifold, which you can see is really restrictive. It then goes from that into this little S-bend configuration here, up and down. Whether that's a mixer for the ozone, I don't know. I haven't come across one of those before. And then it runs through to the back. The other line here runs through to the back, but when I chase those through, they actually come to the drain where the water comes out and then back in through the drain. So there's no good flow point, and this spa was constantly erroring. And so what I'm going to do is give it a better return flow. What I'm going to do is one of these, I've chosen this one here, I'm going to join on and bring back to the spa right here. We've got it up in a seat, not where someone's back's going to seal it. Again, there's multiple points, so it doesn't matter. And it's not a sole return. Another one of these goes to the safety return up in the skimmer box. So there's just not good flow anyway. So one of them is going to get good flow, and it's going to be this one here. I also need to block off where I've cut it, where it's going through, because I know these guys go and join into the drain and then flow back into the spa from there. So this hopefully will get rid of that error. It'll certainly let the spa breathe properly, let the circ motor get a good amount of water through, and hopefully stop that error from popping up all the time.